Well, here I am at Bosworth Battlefield Centre, and here's a few shots around and about the place for your enjoyment. Quiet, untroubled soul, awake, awake, arm, fight and conquer, for England's sake. Hack and slay. Most 15th century soldiers fought on foot. The poorest wore padded jackets and iron helmets, while the richest would have a full harness of iron plate armour. The hand weapons wielded by these men were designed to cut, crush and stab the enemy. The main weapon of many foot soldiers was a pole arm, such as the warbill or halberd, which when used en masse could repel a cavalry charge. Most soldiers would also carry a sword and dagger for close combat fighting. The only shields used were small round bucklers, so there was little protection from arrows or artillery. Having won the battle, Henry needed to secure his position as king. Most surviving Yorkist leaders were executed or imprisoned, and the lesser folk had their lands confiscated. Those that supported Henry were rewarded with titles or estates taken from the Yorkists. For his personal protection, in September 1485, Henry formed the royal bodyguard of the Yeomen of the Guard from the common soldiers of his victorious army. They were commanded by the Earl of Oxford, who had led Henry's forces at the battle. They were present at his official coronation at Westminster Abbey in October 1485 and took to the field with the king at the Battle of Stoke in 1487. Here are the Yorkist leaders getting their comeuppance. Crikey, it's a tough crowd in tonight.